Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our Cymatic Manager Step 7 tutorial. So in this is my second tutorial. So in this video I am just going to show you how you set up PC and PG instruction and download whatever you need to download in your PLC sim. So you will see that here is our PC and PG instruction. So we'll see I am going to MPI. You will see we have two connections. First is MPI and the second is Ethernet. I don't need to configure that. I am going to hardware and you will see that it is our Ethernet. So if we want to create a MPI DP, I am going to select and you will see I am going to select an MPI, you will see that MPI address is 2. So you will see also the address, operating mode and everything you want to think. So I am going to select an MPI and you will see that MPI is ready. And just going to MPI and I am going to select a new submit mask. You will see that and OK, because you will see that the submit mask is done. Now you will see that I am just saving and compiling that and closing that. Now I am going to my PC and PG instructions. So where is our PC and PG? I am just going to check that it is there. Where is my PC and PG? Like that. And I need to change into MPI. You will see that PLC sim MPI. Now our setting has now changed and I am going back to there and selecting my CPU. Now you will see that I change into MPI like that and download into my PLC. It is creating some problem. Selecting an MPI hardware connection. I am again checking that MPI DP is I think I forget to save that. Everything is saved. Now again I am going to check where is my MPI DP. PLC sim MPI and OK. Now I am going to download into my PLC sim. I think it is some problem. I am again going to hardware and selecting my MPI DP. I am going to delete that one and now selecting as a Profibus. I am going to create a new one which is Profibus 1.5 Mbps. Profibus address is 2. You will see that the Profibus is there. I am going to save that, close that. Now change that one to Profibus. Now you will see it will easily add. You will see now our CPU is running on Profibus. So if we want to change into MPI, we again try that. I just delete that one. Going to create a new one, MPI2, I think that's it. And save that. and again we are going to change my Saturn PC MPG. You will see that I am going to select an MPI. Our setting has now changed. Now in the PLC sim, and you will see that the MPI setting is ready. I think there is an station problem there, but I think that's it. In the next video we will discuss these things more. So I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click the bell icons. And thank you very much for watching my